Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Sooooo Silva and I make videos all about beauty, organization, productivity, and business and whatnot. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also, please, don't mind the music and the background noise in the background because everyone is home. It's a Sunday and everyone's doing their thing, and so am I. So can't really control the background music, but today is gonna be a really cool video because I had went Marshall's shopping not too long ago. I went when they first opened, and the only reason I went was because I needed to stock up on some stuff because, as you know, we're quarantining right now and we're at home and we can't really go out. So, and I was already running out of certain stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, might as well just go grab everything I need that I could be able to use for the next few months because I'm not going to be able to go back again. But we're gonna go ahead and get started because I'm kind of excited because I have a lot of stuff, but it was all good prices. Everything was basically on clearance when it first started. When it first was out and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with this video. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Sooooo Silva and I'm a manager. Let's go ahead and get started. So brace yourselves. So I had put everything inside this box right here, so it's filled to the max, and then I also have some stuff here off to the side. So I have a lot of things. It's a lot of skincare stuff mostly, just because that's the thing that I've been using every single day. Not really putting out much makeup, and I already have enough makeup stuff. So for me, that's literally all I bought was just a bunch of skincare because I was running out of it anyway. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll just start what's on the table and then I'll move to the box. So what I ended up buying is this. This is the Pearlescent Calm Lavender and Chamomile Facial Tonic. I use this basically every day. As you can tell, like, I'm already a quarter way in. I bought this, so like I said, all of this stuff I had bought like about a month ago, so this is about a month used. I use this day and morning, so that's why it's like up to here, but I am using my stuff, as you can tell. Another thing, I believe this one was about $4.99. I think this one was not on sale, but I did ended up getting it just because I liked it. This one was on sale. This is the Nature Love Balance Aromatherapy Pillow Mist. This thing smells amazing. I love to spray this after I clean my room. I like to spray it around just to give it a little bit more of like just a scent to the room. So I ended up buying this. This was only $3.50. Such a good price. Okay, I have these next two products right here. So this is the Borgheshi Roma. I threw away the packaging, but this thing online is so expensive. This is a like Roman, European, French brand, and I haven't really seen here in the Western side. So for me, when I saw this, I was like, oh, I'm gonna take it, and it was about $7. But I threw away the packaging because it's been inside this this fridge, so that's why it doesn't have the packaging. But I can't wait to use that. Now this is something I am using. This is the Trilogy Sensitive Very Gentle Hydra Mask. I already checked this online. This is $40 online, and guess how much I got it for? $2.50. I have been using it mostly every single day. I use it every other day. That's just how it looks like inside, and it comes with a little spoon, so I mix it up in there and then I slather it all over my face, and it works pretty well. It's all right, not too shabby. I also ended up getting this Bare Minerals Claymates Mask Duo. Look how pretty this packaging is. Rose gold, so cute. I also have this. This is the, oh, and this was also $10. It's a little too much, but it's a big bottle. It's gonna last me a while. And then this is another thing that I really wanted because I love doing eye masks, and I only have a little bit in stock in my fridge because I like to use them ever so often. I like to use them like maybe 3 times a week. So I got this one. This one was $8.99. It is the Snail Panda Hydrogel Eye Patch. Comes with 60 in this. So I am stocked Okay, a couple more things on this side of the table, then we'll move on to my big box. So this is the Genius Algenist Anti-Aging Melting Cleanser. I did get this for $3. I just took off the sticker and I threw it away, but this was $3. It was on sale and I thought it was such a good price because originally online it's $15. Freaking dollars. So I thought that was an amazing deal. I also got the Dr. Rose Bucks Icebergs Hydrating Mask. I got a lot of masks because I love doing masks. I feel like it's just so much fun just slathering stuff and just chilling and drinking some wine and unwinding. I always think that's cool, so you're gonna probably see a lot of that and a lot of moisturizers and stuff. So, but yeah, this is another one that I got. This one was $12.99. See, look on this side of the table, these aren't the sales. That side of the table, I will show you all the stickers because that's all the sales. And then last thing I actually really needed was this cosmetic brush cleaner. I had one in the restroom. I don't know where it went. We were remodeling. I'm guessing someone threw it away, thought it was trash, threw it away, so I had to buy a new one for $3.99. I'm gonna keep this one in my room because I don't want no one to be throwing my stuff away, because someone was $1. It was $1 and I bought it in Shop Miss A in Texas, and I couldn't be able to go back in Texas, so I have to buy another one here. Okay, now let's get into the big box of stuff. So first things first is this Physicians Formula Wrinkle Control and Firming Moisturizer. It has SPF 15. At first I didn't really understand what it was. I thought it was like some type of like serum that you could put on your face, but it turns out it's actually a sunscreen that has anti-aging stuff in there. So I was like, oh, like I don't really use SPF 15. I use SPF 30 and more, but I guess I'll just like layer up my sunscreen. I got this for $3.50. Now that was a pretty good deal. Originally it was $10 originally, and then it went down to $3.50, so I think that was a pretty good deal. Another thing that I got was this Dr. Roebucks, so basically the same brand, but this one was actually on sale. This one's the Pure Hydration, and this one was $2.50. Let's see how much it was originally, because I love looking at that. This one was $5.99 originally. I don't know if you can see that, $5.99 to $2.50. And then this is the packaging on it. So really pretty. Look at that. It looks so weird. I'm sure it's still good. But I ended up getting, and I can't wait to try this. So I have my moisturizers in queue right now, so whenever I finish those, I'll move on to these stuff right here. But that was a good deal. $2.50 was an amazing deal. I also got the Azure Hyaluronic and Peptides Renewing Facial Cleanser. I thought this was really cool. I'm getting really into like Korean skincare just because their skincare is very like innovative, and I always think that's freaking awesome. I could always use some anti-aging in my life now that I'm gonna be turning 24 this year. How unfortunate. But yeah, I got this was really cool, and it was only $4.99. This one was not on sale, but $4.99 wasn't that bad of a price, to be honest. So speaking of Korean skincare, this is another thing that I got. This is a collagen ampule. It wasn't that much of a sale, like a markdown, because it was $6.99 originally and I got it for $5.50, but still I think it was still a good thing. And this I cannot wait to try. It's a little ampule. If you guys don't know what ampule are, it's basically kind of like a serum. It just helps with the collagen production, which I mean this one does. This one's collagen, so it helps with the collagen production and the whole anti-aging stuff. So I'm hoping to have this skin by the age of 40. Just kidding. I mean, I know I'm gonna age eventually, but one can wish, right? So I have this. This was an amazing deal because the packaging is basically breaking down, but I ended up getting 10 facial masks for $3. So I am set for life for that one, and they expire in 2022, so I am set for this quarantine. And not only that, but I still bought more just because I love doing sheet masks. So I'm currently trying to finish this up because this is supposed to fit. This is actually, I didn't notice this until after I had bought it, but this is supposed to expire in October and we're in July right now. So I have a couple of months before I finish it. So I'm really trying to use this up. So I use it like almost every other day. And since it's sensitive, since it's a sensitive mask, it doesn't break me out whatsoever. It's very light, it's very good. So for me, I'm just like really trying to use it up and whatnot so that I can get to my facial masks and I don't get to waste this bottle. And this bottle is really pretty too, so I might keep it too. I might like clean it out and use it for something else. I can tell that my camera's about to die and that's very unfortunate, so hopefully I can get through it before it dies. More sheet masks. I have two right here. This one is the Sake Essence mask. This one comes with 6 and this one was $2.50. I also got the Papa Recipe. I've heard Papa Recipe is really good, so I wanted to try it. This one comes, quite sure it doesn't say how much, but it comes with quite a few in there, and this one was $3. That was a really good deal too. So I am good with masks. Another one. I kind of regret getting this one because I didn't realize that it was a peel-off mask. I hate peel-off masks. I feel like they're just not good for the skin. But this one's the Detox Shimmer, so it peeling. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm not even quite sure if I'm gonna put this on my face. So I'm low-key kind of regretting I bought this, but it was $4. So I'm not sure what I will do with that one. Almost done, guys. I have like 3 more things to go. Well, actually 4 more things. I have this. This is the Glam Fox little set. This is the Foam Cleanser Double Effect Retinol and Collagen Cleanser. This one was $3.99. Wasn't on sale, but $3.99 was such a good price that I was like, I'm gonna get it. Same thing for this. This one was $5.99, but it wasn't on sale, but I just love this packaging. This is the eye cream, retinol and collagen. Trying to use up a lot of retinol and collagen stuff as early as possible so that I can have good skin as I grow older. So I got the eye cream with it and I cannot wait to try these together. But like I said, I have stuff in queue, so I'm using the items that I have currently right now that are finishing, and then I'll be going on to my products that I have right here. And I use everything. I'm not wasting my money on this. I'm not like just buying it and then just leaving it. Like I literally use all of this stuff. Okay, I'm not quite sure at what point the video cut off, but basically I was saying that I do end up using all of my products because I did make a empties video. This is the bag of all the stuff that I use, and it's mostly skincare stuff. See, I have my sunscreen, I have my sleeping mask, because I use this stuff every single day. Nothing goes to waste here. My makeup, on the other hand, is a whole different story, which I am trying my hardest to try to finish up, but it's kind of hard finishing up makeup. But anyway, so I'm off to my last 2 things. One of them is this. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Rapid Renewal Retinol thing. Love this item. I have it in my drawer. Now this, I know I got a really good deal because I have this one. This is the original one, and I was almost running out of this, and I was really upset. As you can tell, like it's getting really flattened. But I was getting so upset because I was like, oh no, I'm running out of this. And I use this every single night, and I feel like this thing is a thing that's really transforming my skin. I had bought that. Well, I didn't buy it, but we bought it for $60, and that was so much money. And then when I saw this for $24, I was like, how in the hell did someone leave this? This thing is amazing. So you best believe I snatched this thing up, and I couldn't be any more happier now that I have a backup. And I do use it because that one's almost done. So last but not least, I have this little box thing right here. This is the Azure Rose collection. As you can tell, I really like the brand Azure. This is a sleeping mask and a facial oil, and I love sleeping masks because, especially for me with dry skin, I feel like it just gives me that extra hydration that I need in the middle of the night, because when you're sleeping, you're at a loss of hydration. Why? Because you're not drinking a lot of water. So sleeping masks just really help my skin just continue to have that hydration without drying it out. So I love that. And then this has peptides, which is a cream, and a facial oil. This is just all in one, the most amazing box I could have ever found. And it was only $4. See how much it was originally, because I don't think I have checked that. It was $9. $9 originally, and I got it for $4. So that was basically half off. I wonder how much this is online. And this expires in 2020 as well. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find this collection online, and I'll put like the prices. I'll put the prices on all this stuff in this chat, so you know, so you guys know how much it is online and how much I spent and how much I saved, basically. So I think I did a pretty good job with all of my finds. So yeah, so that's everything that I bought, and I cannot be more happy with the finds that I did find. Like I said, I use a lot of skincare, and I love my skincare, and so it's not a waste of money to me. It could be for someone else. It could be like, you could use that money to eat. You could use that money for other stuff. I understand that. I do have, you know, money set aside to eat as well. I'm not starving my child. I'm not starving myself to buy these things. This is just stuff that it's like I had some money left over, and I was like, let me go ahead and buy the stuff I need to have self-care days at home. So that's the only reason why I got all this stuff. But trust me, I'm not like over there just giving my money away to everyone. So if you guys liked this video and you guys made it to the end, you guys are such loyal followers. I love you. Mwah. So yeah, if you guys had finished this entire video, you guys are awesome. Give yourself a like in the like button below. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Roldy Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and oh yeah, and follow me at Babe Manager. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.